Good morning, dear friends. Welcome to another video. In this video, we share a few thoughts on the theme peace of mind. Peace of mind consists in possessing an inner space wherein you feel tranquil, unaffected, and completely at ease with yourself and with the world around you. It doesn't involve the disappearance of all your problems, but it is the ability to face those challenges with clarity, acceptance, and emotional balance. Peace of mind is not the absence of chaos, but the presence of contentment. When you possess the peace of mind, it makes you feel perfectly still inside. Peace of mind, besides making you feel good about life, transforms the way you live, work, and connect with others. When you experience peace of mind, you are less reactive and more thoughtful. You respond rather than react to people and situations, thereby make better decisions. Peace of mind brings better health and well-being as it reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, strengthens immunity, and improves sleep quality. Inner calmness fosters patience, empathy, and active listening, making it easier to connect with people and resolve conflicts peacefully. Peace of mind enhances mental clarity, boosts concentration, and increases focus, thereby expands productivity without being burnt out. Peace of mind builds emotional resilience, makes life storms less overwhelming, making you bounce back faster and less shaken by uncertainty. A calm mind helps to focus on what truly matters, thereby increases happiness and feel fulfilled in life. There are things that can help you to cultivate and maintain peace of mind. Taking even a few minutes each day to sit quietly and focus on your breath can train your mind to slow down and stay present. Accepting that everything is not within your power by letting go control and doing what you are capable of can be genuinely freeing and set in peace of mind. Simplifying your space and environment can clear mental fog, create a sense of ease, and bring peace of mind. Learning to say no without guilt can protect your time and energy, prevent emotional burnout, and guarantee peace of mind. Noticing and appreciating what is good in yourself, others, things, and events by shifting mindset and lightening emotional weight can lead to greater peace of mind. All forms of physical activity can lessen stress, ground yourself in your body, and facilitate cultivating peace of mind. Possessing peace of mind transforms you as a person, makes you an effective and sympathetic person, and face even difficult problems with ease and magnanimity. Hence, cultivating peace of mind is necessary for a happy life. Thank you for watching this video. May God bless you.